How to fix blurry photos. Worst case scenario. You had a party, did a grouping of friends, took all these photos, only to find your camera didn't focus right, and all your party portraits are blurry and low quality. So is there any way to fix blurry photos? Fortunately, we have AI tools today. You don't need to be a professional editor, or know how to use Photoshop or High-Pass. VideoProc Converter AI can enhance and fix that blurring with just a simple click. Now, let's see how to make a blurry picture clear with VideoProc Converter AI. First, download and install VideoProc Converter AI from the link below. Open it. Go to the Super Resolution module. You can drag and drop your photos right in there, or hit Add Media to import the files. Batch processing is supported. Enable Enhance Video/Image. This AI image restoration is one-time scaling. It won't change the original resolution. You can also use the high-quality engine. That will give an even higher quality but correspondingly longer processing time. Even better, you can enhance a blurry photo by upscaling it. Choose 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times scaling to enlarge the image 2, 3, or 4 times. VideoProc Converter AI can output a maximum resolution of 10K for photos. When you are happy with the result, click Run to unblur your image. And there you have it. You just fixed blurry photos with a simple click. Download VideoProc Converter AI and try it by yourself. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. See you next video.